Amazon kitchen finds. This is a garlic roller which finely chops your garlic when you roll it over your counter. This is a butter spreader which works like a chopstick and allows you to spread butter over your toast. To use it, you just fill it with butter and put it in your fridge. This is a Eternal sink mat which absorbs splashes to keep water off your counter. It's machine washable, has anti-slip padding and can be secured to your sink to stop it falling off. These are mug stackers which expand to allow you to stack your mugs together to save cupboard space. This is a smart cutting board which has a built-in scale and timer, an app to track your calories, a magnetic part to hold your knife, and even a spare board to cut your fruit and veg on. It packs away neatly and is completely waterproof, making it easy to clean. This is a cutlery brush which suctions to your sink and allows you to clean your cutlery super easily. These are silicone stretch lids which turn any dish into a Tupperware container. Just stretch them over your food and they keep your food fresher for longer. This is a burger holder which keeps your burger together and prevents ingredients spilling out whilst you eat. This is a can dispenser which rolls the next can to the front once you take one, helping to keep your fridge organized. And this is a claw cutter which holds your onion together and keeps your fingers out the way, making cutting much easier.